মর্নিং অল, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক। সবাই কেমন আছেন? আজকে আমি ভায়াটেরা টপ র্যাকটা ইনস্টল করব। তো ভাবলাম যে এই পুরো জিনিসটা একটু আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করি। So this is the Viaterra package that I received today, or maybe just a couple of days back. This is the top rack, and that's it. Keep getting very conscious when I'm talking to you. I don't know why. That's a receipt. That's a free away. Allen key and some nuts and screws, and just our viewer. It's quite dark right now. I would have fitted it right now. Or we take a chance. This is the Viaterra Top Rack. It has to be kept like that. The company has sent me a PDF. It's fairly simple. Let me see how long it takes for me to fix it. This is the accompanying kit. I didn't have to use the Allen key. These are the screws that I'll be using soon with the washers. I'm using the Allen key that has been provided by your Allen Field. And it just pops out like that. I'm sticking to the 7 kilo load. My orange candy top box weighs around 3.5 kilos. So I will ensure that when I'm using it, and the max load once it's full is not exceeding 7 kilo. I will always be using the weighing machine to ensure that I am not putting extra load on top of that, and it should be well within 7 kilos. So I've fixed all the screws from the top. The white washers now from the bottom. Yeah. Okay. That's here. I've already fit one in. This has to go in further. You have to hold it and screw it in, tighten it very firmly. Okay, so here's the deal. I've already fitted one. So this is the part. There are 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll have to insert it here by removing this one from the bottom, and then once it's in, you will have to attach the white washer followed by the screw. Yes, and you'll have to use both Allen key and the spanner together to tighten it both from top and bottom. Guys, these rare ones are quite tricky because they're very close to the tail light. Yeah, so you need to be extremely careful with these two.
উঁচু নিচে ডাইনি বাই করবো না, এই তো তোকে দেখা যাচ্ছে কিন্তু মাথা দেখা যাচ্ছে না। উঁচু করবো? কয়টা?
I fitted the Viaterra Top Rack 6X fully. It just took about 30 minutes for me this time, but it's quite user friendly. The instruction manual is quite user friendly. There's no complexity, no complications at all, no rocket science. One can easily do it, and this is how it looks from the bottom.